The underwear and one set of sheets, and then I got a girlfriend, and she ruined everything.
When I met the future wife, I had a mullet, and I was wearing green jeans. Of course, I was a big giant.
On 1500 ESPN. The following is a presentation of the Treasure Island Baseball Network.
You are plugged into the Post Game Download, featuring highlights and analysis of today's game, reactions and variety of the rest of the clubhouse, a look around the majors, and more. The download is brought to you by Target. Expect more, pay less. By Century Link. Contact Century Link for details about our triple play tonight, Brian Dozier trying to move the tying run into scoring position in Alexi Casilla, attempting to bunt the baseball, popped it up for a critical out number one in what would prove to be a scoreless ninth as the Twins fall 2-1 to the Baltimore Orioles, setting up a series finale tomorrow afternoon at Target Field that will decide if the Twins take 3 out of 4 or if they split the series right down the middle. Welcome to the post-game download. It's now